Welcome back, everybody. Today we're working on a 2011 G37 Infinity with the V6, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the O2 sensors. All you're going to be needing is going to be a couple tools. You're going to be needing a 1-inch wrench and a 7/8 O2 sensor socket. Now you can pick these up at O'Reilly's or AutoZone or any other parts stores, but the point of it is that it has a little slit in here so where the cable can slide in and get out of the way. Okay, so it's pretty easy to remove. So all you're going to do is you're going to slip this on the O2 sensor. So the O2 sensors are already unplugged, and this is the socket here. And like I said, you're going to go ahead and slide that over the O2 sensor, and there it is. Now it's on. Now the problem is that there's not a lot of room here, and that's why you need your wrench. So the wrench is going to go, the closed end is going to go over the O2 sensor socket, because the O2 sensor socket has a 6-point socket at the end, nut at the end of it. So that's how you go ahead and remove it. So now that we have the wrench on the socket, just make sure that the socket's all the way on the O2 sensor, because we don't want to strip the O2 sensor, okay? That was really easy. I went ahead and used a little bit of penetrating spray on the O2 sensor as well, so make sure you guys put a little bit of penetrating spray on there. And then just go ahead and twist it off by fingers. There it is. That's the left side bottom O2 sensor. Now for the right side O2 sensor, we're going to be using a shorty oxygen sensor socket. Okay, so this is way smaller. It's about 1 inch, and it's a 3/8 drive at the end of it, and it's just really short. So the longer one that I had does not fit this because the transmission's in the way, so we won't be able to get even a wrench on there. So we're going to have to use this one. Again, you can pick these up at Harbor Freight or O'Reilly's or any other auto parts stores or tool store that you might have in your area. So go ahead and you put this on like so. So you put it on like that, and you go ahead and put your ratchet on there and go ahead and remove it. Just like that. And that's how you remove the O2 sensor from a 2011 G37 Infinity with the V6. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, leave me a comment, and let me know what you liked about the video. Make sure you guys check out automechanicclub.com, pick up some tools over there, some pocket screwdrivers that are pretty cheap, that are going to be useful every single day for you guys. Make sure you guys hit the follow button, subscribe, the notification bell. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias, Instagram, TikTok, all that fun stuff. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.